What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I have so many people that basically reach out to me and say, like, I'm so excited for Terra Luna Classic to get to some of these levels, right? When it gets to a penny, that's something that I didn't think would truly happen for me. You know, gaining so much money, gaining 1,000, 2,000% or 100% or whatever of how much you invested. There's a lot of people that are like, I don't think that these things happen for me. Um, but they're also like, oh, when it gets to this certain price, I'm going to sell everything. When it gets to this price, I'm going to do that. And I'm wondering in the comment section below, let me know what you are going to do when it gets to a certain level. When Terra Luna Classic gets to a penny, or it gets to 10 cents, or it gets to 50 cents, or a dollar, what's your goal? And when it gets there, what are you going to do? Because again, there's a lot of things that you could do. You could take profit all the way at the end. You could take profit as you see a 2x return. You could take profit as you see multiple levels, sort of like what I have with my spreadsheets that I build. Again, if you guys want those spreadsheets, link is in the description for Patreon, and you can go over there and just ask away. It is at the top of the post. It's pinned to the top. I wish they had playlists, then I can, break all this stuff down and, because there's 219 posts over there, and I would like to be able to break it down as educational posts, buy alerts, sell alerts, spreadsheets, and all these different things that are over there. So anyways, if you guys want to go and check that out, Patreon is in the description. But yeah, that's definitely a question, is like, when are we going to see Terra Luna Classic reach all of these levels, because they want to do a certain thing at those levels. It's always, is it going to drop a zero? Is it going to drop two zeros? What's your opinion on when it's going to do this? And no one can accurately predict when that's going to happen. I can put out a bunch of predictions and then one of those will be right. And I'm sure other people do that, and then they call it out and say, look, I was right. But no one can accurately predict exactly what's going to happen, especially with a popular position like Terra Luna Classic. So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about my referral links that are down in the description as well, which does have Weeble, KuCoin, you have crypto.com, all of those things that do, I think, help out with trading and educational stuff and everything there. So feel free to check out some of those. And if you want free money, it just sort of makes sense to do that. So anyways, let's go ahead and talk about Terra Luna Classic. Let's show you guys what's happening with Terra Luna Classic. And then we'll go into, the whole price thing and what you're going to do at a certain level, because there are significant levels that people are going to sell at, and probably going to sell at the most. And I wanted to kind of point out those things. So anyways, Terra Luna Classic is currently at 0.0001739. It's down about 1%. While some things are up in the market, we've seen Terra Luna Classic kind of hover and be like flat. Why is it flat? We have a lot of people that are staking it, a lot of people that believe in this position, and the people that are buying this are already holding the position. Until you see more FOMO that's going into it, until you see more of a push, more burns, all the things that increase prices or price potential, we're not going to see anything that happens anytime soon. But with things like this, where Terra Luna Classic could be a sleeping giant, we can see it absolutely explode out of nowhere. And we've seen that in the past, where it went to way higher figures, up 50%, up 100%, up way more than that. And it gets me hyped, because then you start to see a lot of these moves that people can make, whether it's a quick move or looking at the long-term potential of where Terra Luna Classic can go. But currently we're seeing 73.9 million. I think one thing we need to fix there is the DEX volume out of that 73.9 million, which was only 356,000. We are working on the whole buy button situation still, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be other forms of utility that can go on these platforms as well, or on Terra Station or on Station, and any other place to where you can trade on chain. If we look at the overall market cap, we're seeing a $1 billion market cap, pretty much hovered around the same. We're seeing a 1.2 fully diluted market cap. You have 900 billion that's actually staked. And people are loving it as they are staking it because they're gaining their rewards and gaining something extra. But the point of this video is not to just go through what's happening with Terra Luna Classic, because we understand that within the growth, we got to $120. That was at a lower market cap or a lower supply. A higher market cap, lower supply. You saw this at a $40 billion market cap here. But if you look at TradingView and you scroll in, maybe look at the days and see how things were at their highs of 0.0000 or 0.00064, and seeing that drop down to where it is right now, or drop down to the low of 0.00012, and then seeing that increase to where it is right now, or getting to a high of about 0.0002. We want to see it go a lot higher than that. So with these prices, what are you going to do at some of these? So if I go into this exit plan, what are you going to do at some of these significant prices? 1 cent, 10 cents, 25, 45, 70, 90, $1. Why is 90 a significant point? What are you going to do with all of these points? Are you going to sell before you get to those points when you see it at a penny? I've seen a number of people that were like, I have 100 million, Terra Luna Classic. 100 million Terra Luna Classic will get me to $1 million at that point. So if I have, let's put it here, if I have 100 million Terra Luna Classic and I have it at a penny, that's $1 million. I'll take that, right? I take that any day of the week. Right? Yes, right now you would have about $17,000 to turn that into $1 million. I'm sure people would take it because they haven't seen this much. When you get to these levels, what are you going to do? If you're a regular person that has, 100 million coins that you bought at the bottom that was worth way less than $17,000, and now you have $100,000, $300,000, $500,000 that can now pay off your mortgage, pay off your car, pay off so many other things, what are you going to do with it? That's what this video is about. I want to know what you are going to do. In the comment section below, tell me if you're going to, sell at a certain point. I understand how people can say, I'm going to wait until this gets to $1. But I want you to take that so-called diamond-handed play or mindset, out of here, and just take a look at things, jot down all of your expenses, all of your loans and everything like that, and you see it get to a certain price, right? Just visualize it gets to $300,000. You're going to the bank. You have $300,000 in your bank account right now. What are you going to do with that? So you're probably going to say, all right, well, you know what? I could do so much with that. I could pay off my mortgage. I could pay off my car. I could pay off all my loans, my credit cards, all of those things that you wanted to do. Yes, you're going to have to pay taxes. You're probably going to have to understand that a little bit. But at these points, what are you going to do? That's the real question. I know it's tough to hold on to things. If people can't even hold on to $1,000 in their savings account, it's going to be tough to hold on to hundreds of $1,000s in a cryptocurrency. And I know people want to diamond hand as much as you can. I'm not saying that you need to diamond hand. I'm not saying that you need to hold until forever and don't sell anything. I'm not saying that. I've always been a huge advocate of taking profit. You have to take profit throughout, holding a position, because it makes you feel better. You can invest in other positions that are up and coming, because if this stays like this way and goes to a penny in a matter of a year, right? You're holding for 365 days at $1 million or hundreds of thousands of dollars. You're holding that in your balance and it's not doing anything. It's staying at those levels. So you want to make sure that you're making the right moves for you and your family and your life and just everything. So let me know what you're going to do down below. This is an interesting video and an interesting question. And I'm going to ask people on Twitter as well. So if you see the Twitter post before this video goes out, know that a video, or I guess that's out there, a video is coming. I don't know. You're not even going to see what I'm saying here until after this video comes out. Anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this. So remember, guys, if you want this spreadsheet or any of these spreadsheets, SHIB, Crow, or you want me to create any other ones, feel free to go over to Patreon. Let me know. And the spreadsheets are pinned to the top of the page. But if you want me to create something else, like if you have something that has a large potential of growth and we can create another spreadsheet, we can do that with the market cap and with everything else. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Hopefully you are having a great weekend, or you had a great weekend, because by the time this post is going to be kind of midday or end of day. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.